So guys, in this video, I will share with you how you can get free PayPal cash by doing nothing. Okay, you literally need to do nothing extra thing. Okay, and you will get the free PayPal cash. You can spend that anywhere. There are a lot of places you can actually spend them. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description. And after this training, you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. Okay. So now the website I want to share with you is the earnwithdrop.com. Basically, this website is a website that is going to help you to make free money. For example, you get an Uber every single day. You get a you buy the grocery from the Walmart every single day. You buy clothes from the Adidas, Zara, and there are many other brands as well. You also book a ride on the Lyft, and you also have a burger at the McDonald's, but you never get paid. You never get any discount that you can redeem the next time or something like that. But what the Drop is doing, Drop is an app which has raised over 21 million. Okay, they have raised two times the funding. One time they raised about 21 million dollar, and the previous time they raised 5 million dollars. Just think about it. If there is an app like this who has raised so much money, over 26 million dollar, and they are going to pay you money, okay, for just a kind of you do the shopping every single day, whether it's for clothes or it's for groceries, you will be get paid for that. And what you can do, you simply just come on this website. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can simply come on the earnwithdrop.com. Okay, and thereafter, as also let me tell you, this app has been featured on the Forbes, Business Insider, USA Today, Inc., and also on the Wall Street Journal. And as I was showing you on the TechCrunch, I don't know what happened to the internet, but it's a little bit slow, but I will show you. Okay, so as you can see over here on this website, what you need to do, you first need to just get this app, and thereafter link your debit credit card, whichever you want to use. And when you will be shopping for with that card anywhere, it can be like Walmart, or maybe the McDonald's, or maybe the Uber, or maybe Lyft, or anything, whatever they really consider a lot of marketplaces. Okay, so what you can do, whenever you are going to buy anything, automatically they are going to give you the points. Okay, and that's it. You can then exchange that points in front of grocery, clothes, or whatever it is. Okay, it's that simple, guys. It's that simple. And just look at their reviews. I also found the reviews on the Play Store, and also they have a pretty good reviews. Yeah, there will be one or two, or maybe some negative reviews as well, but they are not like something kind of, they are not paying us points. There is no point at all. Okay, and let me tell you how many apps how many people has already downloaded this. I think that over 300,000, yeah, it's, I think, 500,000 members. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not mentioned, I think, over here. Okay, yeah, over here, as you can see, 500,000 plus installs has already been done by this website. And now let me share with you about this article which I was telling you. NEA leads the $21 million round for Drop, a rewards app for millennials. Okay, when we are going to go down over here, everyone loves free stuff, apparently, including VC investors, whatever it is. Okay, this means by venture capital investors, they also love the free stuff. Okay, so if there will be an app who is going to reward you for kind of for just doing the daily basis task, then you do not even need to spend a single more time in doing anything, and you will be get paid for that. Look at this, the Drop, whose app allows consumers to collect points for transactions they make, and then all receive reward offers, has secured a 21 million series around, led by the Rick Young at NEA. Okay, and the company has previously raised about $5 million in the seed capital. Okay, so that's over $26 million funding they have raised. So this is not kind of the scam website, because you will be get paid for a legit purpose. You are shopping, and you will get given a discount that you can use in your next shopping. So I really hope that this video has helped you to saving some money and you can then invest it. But this is only for the saving, okay? But what if you want to make at least $100 per day online, okay? If you are a complete beginner, you do not have any money to invest, you do not have a kind of anything like you do not have the money to buy any course, then what I have brought for you, I have brought a 5-day completely free training and also an ebook where I will be sharing with you how to actually go from zero to $100 per day. Okay, and the catches is that training is 100% free. I have gotten the results with that training. So if you want, just click the link in the description right now, guys, right now, and get access to this training absolutely free. On the first page, you are going to get the free ebook, okay, and thereafter I will email you the free training, and you can also get that free training in the on the thank you page as well. So click the link and get access to the training right now.